ठीक है, this sign is of Virgo. Hmm? So Virgo is the sixth zodiac sign. Huh? It is basically a female sign, a dual sign, and an earthy sign. And the lord of Virgo is Mercury, planet Mercury. Huh? So being a female sign, so you will have all characteristics of feminine characters. There's a Mithun Rashi, which is also ruled by Mercury, but it's a male sign. Mhm. While Kanya Rashi is a female sign. Mhm. Mithun, Gemini was a windy sign. Huh? So for him, displaying knowledge was very important. Huh? A Mercury, a Gemini Mercury is a person who is communicative, who is expansive, who loves to talk, who likes to communicate, who likes to display his knowledge, who will go, who is a jack of all but master of none. Huh? While a Kanya Mercury or a Virgo Mercury is a feminine planet. So feminine means the characteristics of female. Sensitivity would be there, fear would be there, hmm, jealousy, possessiveness, emotional, all these qualities would be present, it being a female sign. Uh, Dual sign means again which it leads to confusion. They are not very perseverant with whatever they are doing. And most important, it being a earthy sign, for them, the predominant miasm will become psychosis. Psychosis, but non-obstinate. So earthy means they are very much worried about money matters, or their aim in life would be to take care of money or deal with money. So being feminine, being earthy, it's also one of the most beautiful rashis. Lord being Mercury, so they are intellectuals again. Mercury being a planet of intellect, being a planet of logic, they are extremely particular in nature and meticulous in nature. Mhm. So they will be comfortable only when things are planned out. So typically, if we are to correlate with homeopathy, the drug which is very close to Virgo is arsenic. People who are very much worried about money matters, they have a fear of being getting cheated, they don't trust very easily, they are extremely particular about keeping things in place, they are fastidious, they are very much worried about how they look. So if anybody has prescribed a typical arsenic, or a typical arsenic person is ki even when you move their hair, they just have to do only one, what we say, एक ही बार बाल घुमा देंगे तो their hair would be perfect. So that perfectionist or that symmetry runs in Virgo, in arsenic. There is a delicacy, there is a shyness, and there is a cautiousness which is there. Cautiousness, because being a earthy sign, they have got fear of losing. Losing, especially related to money. That is why arsenic has a feeling of being cheated and getting cheated, or he himself is a non-diligent or non-conscientious arsenic can cheat people to achieve. They cannot trust anybody. So Virgo, a typical personality is that of arsenic. So being dual, they are indecisive, restless. Like arsenic characteristic is restlessness, that you will not sit in one place. They will need support for decisions, and hence decisions are delayed. Because if the feeling of Virgo people are, if they take decisions and what if the decision is wrong, and if the decision is wrong तो नुकसान हो जाएगा, I will tend to lose something. But the advantage that they can play a role in any society, in any job. They can travel at the same time, they can sit in one place. They tend to lose confidence with slightest failure. So if they fail somewhere, they feel that this thing is not good for me. They will try to take up another job. Like the Lord being Mercury, they love discussions and arguments. But for them, it is difficult to come to conclusion because of their indecisive nature. So like we said, being earthy, they are strong footed. Money and finance becomes very important for them. So they become excellent businessmen, but can be a miser. They are very hardworking, result oriented. But like I told before, they may lose confidence if they are subjected to failure. Being a Rashi of Artha Trikon, again money and effort to gain money becomes important for them. Like I said, Lord being Mercury, it's a logical person who has got excellent vocabulary. They have got a critical mindset. So critics, film critics are usually Virgo people. Ambassadors are Virgo people. Now Virgo being the sign comes in sixth house in original zodiac. So the feeling of Virgo is they are surrounded by enemies, or they could be cheated, or they could land up in disease. So that is why anxiety for health, which is present in arsenic, is also present in Virgo people. Because they're scared of diseases. So it rules the digestive system, especially stomach, duodenum, small intestines, and they are prone to indigestion, gastritis, and ulceration. Same way, like arsenic, it is indicated in stomach problem, it is indicated in stomach cancers, it is indicated in ulcers. So Nux vomica, arsenic are these two drugs which will come very close or to Virgo people. So those people who have got more planets in Virgo, or the ascendant is Virgo, or Mercury in Virgo, because Mercury gets exalted in Virgo, they usually have these characteristics present. So diseases are like gastritis, duodenal ulcer, skin. This thing we have forgotten. Mercury rules skin, and because it is the lord of sixth house, Virgo being the sixth house, they tend to have eczema, psoriasis, dandruff problems. And disease wise, increased overactivity of brain leads to Alzheimer's. So Mercury dominated people, you can say that ailments from overwork or overthinking, ailments from mental work. So they can become absent minded, or in older age, they may land up in Alzheimer's. So the rubrics are critical, fastidious, cautious, business aptitude for miserly, confidence, want of, fear of failure, anxiety about money matters, thoughts which are persistent. They are continuously absorbed in something or other. They are continuously planners, planning out. So most typical drug would be arsenic and nux vomica, silica. Also, they are particular. They are image conscious. Calcarea silicata. You have got the rubric anxiety about money matters. Thuja, also the fastidious thuja, psychotic thuja, who feels he's brittle, who feels his body is made up of glass. They don't trust people very easily. They can be a routinist, a psychotic type of thuja. Zincum met, where overwork or vaccination leading to brain fag. Absent-minded people, specifically for Zincum, the 12th house has to be prominent. There have to be many planets in the 12th house, or Mercury in 12th house, or a combust Mercury in Kanya Rashi, or where there are many planets in Mercury's nakshatra in 12th house. So Zincum, characteristic of Zincum is restlessness of feet even while sleeping. They go on repeating the questions before answering. So this is typically which I've seen in Zincum child. So when we ask them what is your name, they will reply back, what is your name? And then they will say, my name is so and so. So that is related to Zincum. Then sulfur who is continuously absorbed in his thoughts like a planner. But planner, when the planning fails, he goes and takes up a new job or he plans something else. So fancy is absorbed in anhelonium drugs, hydrogen. These also you can think about. So sulfur is one also is another typical remedy for Gemini dominant people. So it can be even for Gemini, it can be for Virgo. Hmm. Bryonia, typical business minded person. Everything revolves around business, talks about business. Like Mercury is a barren land. Mercury signifies barrenness. So Bryonia, Calcarea floor, both are very dry people. Extremely money minded and dry people and can be fastidiousness. Kali Beach, Kali Self also similar fashion. Kali Beach is chrome again, it comes to show. And they can be meticulous, particular, anxiety about family, which is present in all Kalis. Graphitis, the fastidious part of graphitis is covered. Petroleum, which is again a carbon. So similar, all carbons are related to earthy signs. So usually you will find minerals when you consider Virgo. Like again we said, being a earthy sign, so you will find minerals present or minerals. The drugs who are Virgo dominant will require mineral remedies. Zenithaman is also typical Virgo. So these people tend to take care of their physique quite a lot. Now here Zenithaman got Shukra, which is debilitated Shani. So let us not go in details. And Rashi is Kark. So the sensuality, Shukra, when it becomes debilitated, then the sensuality, sexuality comes up. So this is about Virgo. So any questions related to Virgo? It's now very simple because you all know Mercury as a planet. So understanding Mercury, it becomes easy to understand Virgo. So just remember arsenic. You will find all characteristics of arsenic are present in Virgo or vice versa. Any questions, Virgo? We discuss remedies also. So whenever Mercury comes into play, the logic of the person becomes very important, or it is the processing power, the CPU of your brain. So always for children who are autistic, who are restless, who are ADHD, who are cerebral palsy, who have some learning defects and brain defects, look at Mercury, look at Gemini, look at Virgo, because your remedy prescription would be based on these three signs. Sign of Mercury, where it is placed, where Mercury as a planet is placed, how is Gemini, whether Gemini or Virgo is in sixth house, is that where the sign is placed, or there are many planets, bad planets in Gemini or Virgo.
Sir, if Virgo is in 12th house
Ah,
and Mercury is there, that child has ADHD problem?
yes, he can get ADHD problem because Mercury 12th house becomes very restless
Yes, sir.
and exalted. Huh? Because Mercury naturally it is 12th house is mean Rashi or Pisces, where Mercury is debilitated. So Mercury, when in 12th house Virgo, it gets exalted. The problem will be the child would be very restless because it is the 12th house is the house of entrapment, and here Mercury gets trapped. So they can get epilepsy, or they can be ADHD, they can be autistic children, or they can be extremely loquacious.
It can be possible to with remedies cure this problem.
Yes, yes. One of the most important remedy, Mercury exalted 12th house, is Hyoscyamus. So 12th house Mercury, what the characteristics are, they can be witty and restless at the same time. And what they tend to do, ki, suppose at home there is a fight going on between the husband and wife. Huh? The child will go and neighbor and say, रोज झगड़ा करते रहते हैं मेरे पेरेंट्स.
Yes, sir. Yes.
हाँ, हाँ,
Means what the things we have not tell to anyone now, that
हाँ,
child
the
go
child,
and
हाँ,
goes and
child will go and tell the neighbor
yes, sir.
everything. ऐसे है क्या कोई? You know somebody?
मेरे भाई का लड़का है सर,
अच्छा, ऐसा ही है
सिक्स
ना.
हाउस में है, ऐसा ही है वो।
हाँ.
एडीएचडी का उसका ट्रीटमेंट बहुत दिन से चल रहा था, एलोपैथी आयुर्वेदिक, बट कुछ रिजल्ट नहीं आया।
नहीं, ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बहुत स्ट्रांग रहती है कि बाबा वो घर बाजू में जाके सब चीज बोल के आएगा, नहीं तो और बोल के आएगा कुछ तो.
वो जो सुनता है वो सोचता नहीं कि वो बात बतानी है कि नहीं।
पता ही नहीं कि नहीं है, वो सीधा सब जगह पे जाके बोल के आएगा वो.
यस सर।
So you have to be very careful with the child who has got exalted 12th house Mercury. कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं.
यस सर।
हाँ, बाजू
लास्ट।
में हाँ, हाँ. तो you have to be very careful. मतलब वो फिर वो नेबर्स आके बोलेंगे, अरे तुम्हारा बच्चा ऐसे ऐसे बात कर रहा था करके. तो वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ड्रग्स फॉर दैट इज हायासाइमस. तुला लगना आ जाता है ना,
यस सर।
सिक्स तुला लगना एंड कन्या बिकम्स
कन्या बिकम 12th इन
12.
12th।
So तुला लगना already it is a windy sign ruled by Venus. So that is where you have to be careful. And usually, in such cases, ADHD, Venus is debilitated or Venus is combusted. Venus is with Sun, where it becomes combusted, or Venus and Mercury are there together in 12th house in Kanya. So you get this type of people. Also, this is Venus when debilitated in 12th house with Mercury. It is prostitution also.
Okay, sir.
That is where, because 12th house is house of bed, and Venus becomes debilitated in house of bed, it becomes a problem for them. Means do finance, because Mercury is 12th house, again house of bed. So they will do business which is related to uh, prostitution or brokers, something of that sort. Hmm. Okay. Any other queries related to Venus? Sorry, not Venus. No, I mean Virgo.